What's up guys? Today I have a tutorial on how to achieve this super sleek low bun. I am loving this, guys. It's giving me all types of 90s vibe. Yay, that bank head bounce, shawty bounce. With stretched hair that's actually been in some low twists, and my hair is dirty, but it's more so dirty in the front because I kept applying gel around the edges, but that's okay. I'm just gonna comb that all out and you won't see that at all. But first you just start off by parting out your section, and I'm going for more a deep swoop, so I'm just gonna make a deep swoop parting. And the key to getting your hair to lay super flat is to part off sections. So I'm going to part off my swoop section and put that to the side, and then start to part off my side section and also put that away. Now I'm taking my Eco Styler gel and black castor and flaxseed oil. Now I'm just gonna take a generous amount. That's why it's okay for me to do this on dirty hair, because I'm about to slap a lot of gel in my hair. So what you want to do is go ahead and make sure you smooth your hair really good. Each section should be nice and smooth. Then I'm just going to use a scrunchie and just put that away, making sure it stay nice and smooth, and work on my next section. And in the front, I like to actually part off little section and place gel in between and smooth it out. That just gives me that really nice flat look. And make sure you have a really nice hard brush. You want a brush that, you know, when you're brushing your hair, you feel it touching your scalp. You want it to get down in the roots and smooth those roots out. And then I'm just gonna take that scrunchie, remove it from the back, and just add the hair into that ponytail, and continue to do the same thing on the other side. Now, when you're creating the swoop, you just want to do more of like a swooping swirl, more like a swirl when you're brushing your hair. And because I want to make sure the swoop stays in place, I'm just going to take a little clip and hold the hair down as I continue to go throughout my hair and add the gel. And you'll just start to see me also use the rat tail comb, because the combs can really get down and smooth it. So I will be alternating between the brush and the rat tail comb. and just continue to keep smoothing it. Just smooth it and brush it and comb it. Girl, I feel like I've mastered this style. I've been creating that slick back ponytail girl since 1999 to the 2000s. Then you're just going to remove that scrunchie in the back and add the hair to that scrunchie. Now notice how the hair is not fully smooth, but we're going to fix that. Don't stress yourself out with trying to smooth it all at one time. I like to put in the scrunchie and then go back with my brush and my comb and smooth it out. That way you don't have just the hair all freely. You just want to keep the hair all together and then smooth it all. Get it as smooth as you can, and then remove the scrunchie and replace it. Then I went in and did my little swoops and baby hairs. I kind of went a little extra with my baby's hairs because I just want to emphasize like more of the 90s look. So I did put a little swirl, and it really helps when you use the rat tail comb with the metal tip to do that swirl, because my hair is in its curly stage. It makes it a little bit more difficult to do that, but I think I got it. And I pretty much just braided my hair down in the back and secured that with another little tie. And I placed my silk scarf on my head and allowed it to sit as I got ready for the day. And that's the complete look. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial, and I hope you were able to take some great tips and tricks on how to get that perfect sleek low ponytail on natural hair. And make sure you subscribe, and that way you continue to see more of my videos, and also hit your post notifications. That way you know exactly when I do upload a new video, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.
Got it, crib, got it, job on it. Did I ever